The robot's name is Wabash CannonBot, and it plays the KState 5 songs when it delivers food to customers. Currently, the robot is working at the Lacey's Fresh Catering, and that is on-campus cafe that we're operating within the department.
The purpose behind it really is to integrate robotics and to try and integrate AI into the hospitality curriculum and really across the food chain, because it's so important now for our students when they graduate to go out and really understand how to integrate these operations or these robots into their operations. Industry is looking for workers that are familiar with the robotics technology, especially in the hospitality industry, so they need to know how to operate and how to program those things on the back end in order to make them work and function for the business so it can really be an added benefit.
By incorporating this robot will help students more confident in operating similar technology in their later career, and also teach students how to blend the human touch with advanced technology.